Our first award this evening is the TCT Aerospace and Defense Application Award 2024. This sector is not just about reaching new heights physically, but also metaphorically, as it continues to pioneer the use of 3D printing in creating complex, high-performance parts. So let's find out which of these high flyers will take home the trophy tonight. Right, before we announce the winners, the not just commended, the highly commended project in this category is Q-Team Quantum Devices by Metamorphic Additive Manufacturing in partnership with Aerospace, University of Nottingham and Tor Scientific. And now, to help me present the award to the winner, please welcome onto the stage, on behalf of our sponsor, Hyphen Innovation, Dr. Onome Scott Imuakpo, the winner, you ready? The winner of the TCT Aerospace and Defense Application Award 2024 is Phased Array Antenna Cold Plate by Boeing.
Wanted to thank on behalf of the Boeing team. So this design just captures the power of additive manufacturing and the multifunctionality, because this device is not only a heat exchanger, but it's a pressure vessel, structural component, and a radio frequency device that provides signal from space to ground. So really captures the innovation, and wanted to thank TCT for the recognition and all those who support us. So thank you again.